I will never change. Today, I know that I will never change. My name is Greg, and this brave little dog is Nella. I will always be myself. I will never give up. I will always smile. I will always love this beautiful world. Join us as we go to this beautiful place, a place where we are now, a place where we will be tomorrow, a place where we belong, here on earth. Enjoy each breath in your life.
Big place by Teresa Strand, our small little harbor. We're going to fly that drone with the controller and try to get some cinematic shots. And we'll try to get that shots like maybe from this small bridge.
Live your life.